Very good evening, students. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss some questions from chapter 5, 6, 7 and 8 of Indian contribution to science. And also one student asked the brief explanation. So some videos having brief explanation of these chapters will be uploaded soon. So be in touch for the explanation. So let's start discussing the questions. Question first. In ancient India, what was plant science and animal science known as? Plant science is known as Vraksh Ayurveda and animal science is known as Mrag Ayurveda. You can separate these words, that is Vraksh means tree or plant and Mrag means animal. And something more, Ashva Ayurveda and Gaja Ayurveda represent veterinary medicine for horses and elephants. You know, elephants are Gaja Ayurveda and for horses Ashva Ayurveda. Agriculture was known as Krishi Sastra. Krishi means agriculture, farming. Second question, dash apply to the dosa theory to plants to provide a number of recipes for plant protection and treatment depending on the particular dosa imbalance affecting the plant, that is Surapala. The Surapala applied the dosa theory on plants. Next question, dash contains very interesting passages relating to the crops and crop disease and very many aspects of agroforestry, that is Earth Shastra of Kautilya. In Hindi it is Earth Shastra. Full form of ICAR, that is the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, that is ICAR. Fifth question, which ancient textbook of veterinary medicine classify horse and describe their treatment? That is Ayurveda of Salihotra. This is the ancient textbook of veterinary medicine which classify the horses and their treatment. Sixth question, dash composed in the 13th century CE gives fascinating descriptions of animals and birds. That is, this CE means Common Era, which that is the Mrag Paksis Shastra. Mrga Pakis Shastra by Hamsa Deva, that is Hamsa Deva. Next question, the principles of dash and dash classify animals on the basis of their habitat and predatory behavior, that is Charaka and Shushruta explains the classify the animals on the basis of their habitat and predatory behavior. Eighth question, the food web and the food chain have been described highlighting the principle that one form of life is food for another, that is all the smaller animals are eaten up by the bigger animals, that is Jivo Jivashaya Jivanam. Ninth question, the use of plants by animals for treating themselves is known as pharmaconogy. That is, when plants get affected by the snake bite or they get some disease, they can treat themselves. That branch is known as zoopharmacognosy. Next question, the veterinary herbal medicines are manufactured and marketed by pharmaceutical firm in India. 11th question, the ancient Indians estimated that there are nearly dash yonis or species of life on earth. They are 8.4 million. That time it was estimated that there are 8.4 million species on the earth, or species were known as yonis. 12th question, how many ethnic communities in India have lived in close proximity with nature and nurtured as flock system of medicine? There are 4600 ethnic communities live with the nature. Next question, name the first extant Indian text of astronomy. Here the word extant means which is being used still today, which is present today. That is Vedanga Jyotisha. Vedanga Jyotisha. The dash and dash are crowns of Vedanga Shastras. They are Jyotisha. Jyotisha means astronomy and Ganita means mathematics. 15th question. The first Indian text dealing explicitly with mathematics are known as, they are Shulba Shustras. The first Indian text dealing with explicitly with mathematics. Explicitly means something which is explained in details, having no error. That is Shulba Shustras. 16th question. Pythagoras theorem was formulated by Euclid. That is Euclid around 300 BCA. That is before Common Era. 17th question. Dash may be defined as extraction, purification, alloying and application of metals. That is metallurgy. 18th question. The first evidence of metal in Indian subcontinent comes from Mer Grah in Baluchistan. Next question. What is added to copper to make it bronze? That is, tin is added to copper, then it becomes bronze. So bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. 20th question. Which belong to the Iron Age? The Ganges civilization belongs to the Iron Age. 21st. The Wood's steel is primarily iron containing a high proportion of iron, that is 1 to 2% of carbon is present in Wood's steel, that was used in ancient India for building swords. The Delhi Iron Pillar was built using sword steel. Delhi Iron Pillar, it was 1600-year old, height is 7.67 meter, consists of about 6 tons of wrought iron. That is, it is made up of wrought iron, which is rustless. Name the 4 Vedas. The 4 Vedas are Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajur Veda and Atharva Veda. 24th. The Rig Vedic hymns refer to many gods and goddesses identified with sun, moon, thunder, lightning, snow, rain, water, river, trees, etc. They've been glorified and worshipped as givers of health, wealth and prosperity. The hymns means the prayers, the songs in the form of prayers. So hymns means the prayers. 25th. The rain god Indra has the largest number of hymns attached to him. There are a lot of prayers of rain god Indra. 26th. The Gayatri Mantra of Rig Veda. It is of Rig Veda, which is chanted on every auspicious occasion, is full of praise for sun. So Gayatri Mantra is the praise of sun. 27th. Atharva Veda highlights the importance of nature and has a beautiful hymn in praise of earth. That is earth, Atharva Veda. Scientific name of peepal tree is Ficus religiosa. Ficus religiosa. 29th. Mahavira gives his preaching to his followers about the environment in Acharanga Sutra. That is Acharanga Sutra. Mahavira gave the preaching. 30th. The Kejrali village of Rajasthan, about 363 young and old men and women embrace the Kejri trees to protect them for being felled by the king's men. The village name is Kejrali. That is in Rajasthan. The one of the leading women of the movement to protect the trees by hugging was Amrita Devi Bisnoi. That is, there was a community of Bisnois which used to hug the trees and protect them from being cut. Thank you for watching, students, and please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates.